Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we have a 2019 Alfa Romeo. So we're gonna change the brakes. So first thing first is jack up underneath the car. There's a little thing right here. I don't know if you can see it, but when you look under the car, you're gonna see it points down. So we're gonna jack up the car. Also, you gotta put the brakes. You gotta put the car in service mode, in the brake service mode. Through the dash, I'll show you because I already did one side. I already did it already. So I'll show you how to get to that settings, and you can go from there. So to take the wheel off, it's going to be 17 millimeter. So it's just 5 lug studs, because these doesn't have nut. Let's give the wheel a nice little hit. Pull back on this, and now we have the brake right here. So what we're going to do is get a flathead screwdriver, try to push the pads away from the rotor, and what that's going to do is to squeeze in the piston. So you have 4 piston and 2 piston on this side, 2 piston on the back, so that's 4 piston in total. So that's what we're gonna do now. Alright guys, so what we gotta do is come in here, go between the pads on the rotor, and then I'm gonna twist it, and you can see it push it away from the rotor. And then you just pry it to the rotor, push it away. Whichever way you pry, it's still gonna push it to the rotor. So we got a smaller flathead, and we're gonna squeeze this side in. So there you go, just work it in. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side over here. We'll push it here, twist it, and then once we get in there, you want to use both of them. You want to use, because when you're pushing in one side, the other side gonna pop back out. So that's what you want to do on both sides. Kind of work it in. Once they're in, that's good. The next thing we're gonna do is get your screwdriver, just put it right here, put this one right here, and that one gonna help you to take this loose without having somebody to press the brake. So you want to get that, and then that's how you do that guys. This come loose. This is what really hold the factory, hold the rotor on. So that come loose, so that's good. Link for this tool, I'll leave it in the description for you guys. So, alright, that came loose. So next step is just back. Alright, next step is where am I? So I'm gonna hit the rotor, so the rotor can be loose with a hammer. So I'm gonna hit. Alright, so now the rotor came loose. Alright, now the rotor came loose. The next step is to take this out over here. And also we have this plug right here, just to unplug right here. This one right here, you just push it forward and it come off just like that. That's all you need. Now we need to take these 2 bolts out right here. Alright, so we need to take out these pins. So we just knock them through with a center punch. Alright, so I get both of these clips to go back. Next step is to take this off. This is a T55. Alright, you don't want to take it all the way off. You don't want to take it all the way off. Let's take it like that. Alright, now you can take it off. And now we're going to remove the rotor. And now we're going to put back the bolt. Alright, so we just want to make sure our rotor is matched up, which they are. This is a kind of rotor that have left and right, so I want to make sure.
With like the sensors?
Yeah, they come with the sensors.
It comes with the sensors.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I see.
Alright, so now. Alright, so customer showed me all this now. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the sensors. The pad with the sensor, we're gonna pull this all the way out. Alright, so that's good. So now we have both pads out. I'm going to try to clean in here somewhat with a flathead screwdriver. Just a little bit. And then you can do the top two as well. Just a little bit. Alright, once that's done, the next thing is to put the new pads in. You can take this clip off. This is what hold the pads up so they don't rattle. Alright, so let's get the new pads. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is clip this in. Alright, you can see that's locked in right there. We're going to get the new pad. So we're going to first put the one with the sensor and make sure the wire is up. like this. You see the wire is up. On the other side the wire is also up, so make sure it's up. Run it through here, run it back through there, let it sit right there. I'm gonna get the new pin. I'm gonna push back on the pad and use the pin to hold the pads, and then we're gonna put this other one in. Same concept. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and knock the pin in. Just light top and they will go in. I'm gonna knock them in some more. But the rotor is shaking, so I'm gonna put the caliper is shaking, so I'm gonna put the rotor on first. Alright, so we're gonna put this back. So I'll hold the rotor. That's it. You just need to snug it up, that's all. Alright, so that's on this part. We can clip this in here. Push down on it. That's good. We can lock this in. That's good. Alright guys, so double check your work, make sure everything is nice and tight. Make sure you get your corner weight down here, and also knock your pin in all the way. You can use the old pin to knock the new one in. You can see this one come through all the way. Unplug like this. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. And you can see we just need to pump the brakes up to make sure that's good and put on our tire. Double check. feels good.
Feeling good?
Yeah, so far so good.